ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर चौधरी अनस सरवर का कहना है कि तकलीफ की इस घड़ी में NHS, अस्पताल का स्टाफ, डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस जिस बहादुरी से कोरोना वायरस के खिलाफ फ्रंट लाइन पर काम कर रहे हैं, हम उनको खराज तहसीन पेश करते हैं। 92 न्यूज़ के नुमाइंदे चौधरी खालिद परवेज बात करते हुए उनका मजीद क्या कहना था, आपको भी सुनवाते हैं।
As some of the issues that I continue to campaign on, firstly, a recognition that today is International Workers' Day, and we pay tribute rightly to all those workers that have lost their lives over the years, but a particularly poignant time as we think about all those health and social care workers who have lost their lives trying to save lives in response to the coronavirus outbreak. We owe them a huge debt of gratitude, and our thoughts are with all their family. But actually, the best way we can pay tribute to them is by making sure that we do not go back to business as usual once this crisis is over. We've got to make sure that we properly resource, properly support, properly pay and properly fund our public services and those that work for them forevermore as we come through this crisis. Other issues that have been raised around our exit strategy from lockdown. I think that has to be a phased approach, and it has to be done in a grown-up manner that keeps a clear, consistent messaging. Still issues being raised about PPE for frontline NHS staff, particularly social care staff, and also other frontline workers. That message of there's enough resource and enough capacity that the government is saying is not translating into the reality on the ground for far too many workers, and we've got to make sure we have adequate supply on the front line. We also still have a number of people getting in touch about business support packages. I think that needs to be much quicker in terms of how that is applied and how quick people can get access to that support. I still have too many employees sharing concerns about not adequate social distancing in their workplaces. We've got to continue to monitor and press on that for responsible employers to make sure everyone is getting fairness. Lots of people needing support around the shielding mechanism, not getting access to adequate supplies. If you are meant to be shielded and you aren't getting the support you need, please do get in touch, and I'm happy to make representations on your behalf. If you're not in the shielding category but still require assistance, then please do get in touch. We have set up Viral Kindness Scotland, which you can contact on 0800 054 2282, and we can get support to you on the front line. But most important of all, please take care of yourself.